Homeownership has a lot of perks, including building equity and snagging some of the best homeowner tax credits and deductions. Through the non-refundable energy-efficient home improvement credit, residential clean energy credit, and high-efficiency electric home rebate program, taxpayers who make qualified improvements to their houses to improve energy efficiency can get substantial tax breaks. Disclaimer: this blog is for informational purposes only but not a complete guide. Please consult a tax professional for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding tax credits. 2023 Home Improvement Tax Breaks. Energy Efficient Home Improvement Tax Credit. HVAC heat pump for heating and air conditioning, up to 30% of costs, capping at $2,000. Heat pump water heater, up to 30% of costs, capping at $2,000. Biomass stoves and boilers, up to $2,000. Home energy audit, up to $150. New exterior door, up to $250 each or $500 for all exterior doors. New exterior windows and skylights, up to $600. New insulation, up to $1,200. Upgraded electrical panel, up to $1,200. Residential clean energy credit. This tax break allows homeowners to claim up to 30% of the costs of new, qualified clean energy improvements that happen between the years 2022 through 2033. Battery storage technology. Solar panels. Solar water heaters. Small wind turbines. Geothermal heat pumps. Fuel cells. New roofs that meet energy efficiency standards like metal and asphalt with cooling granules. High-Efficiency Electric Home Rebate Program, HEEHRA. According to the most recent information, the funding for this program exists, but individual states have much to work out still. Under the program's guidelines, families that earn 80% or below their local median income can get the full rebate for energy-efficient upgrades to electric systems like heat pumps. According to the latest news, HEEHRA benefits should be available in the third or fourth quarter of 2024.